Today is the introduction to the HD11 Dalton clutch kit. This is our crew cab limited HD11. Here's stock tires, and just to give you some validity, I went to Nova Scotia, where Dalton is, and spent 4 or 5 days with Dale, the owner. He's late to the game, if you will, on this particular kit. There's certainly other brands out there ahead of, but he knew this would be a really good seller, and he wanted to get it right. He spent a huge amount of time on it. He went and bought himself a limited too. A lot of times he'll borrow vehicles to do kits on. He bought it, we bought it. We knew that clutch calibration from the factory has not been good, so let's talk about that. The number one complaint that people have on an HD11, and it was my very first driving impression, was you feel like you really got to mash the gas to get going. Engagement RPM is high. It's just like, is it ever going to move? And then finally it moves. That's the number one complaint. Okay, the Dalton clutch kit fixes that. My kit consists of a new set of flyweights and a new primary spring. If you go from 33-inch tires and larger, then you're going to need the kit with the Helix. So that's a -1 kit and a -2 kit. Now that's the first complaint that people have. The other thing is this clutch calibration makes this vehicle very sluggish. Bone stock is sluggish. Can-Am normally is very good at their clutch calibrations, but as I like to say, they stepped on their pecker on this one. Can't tell you why, how it's like that. So you get a very good improvement on acceleration, your performance, and that's not for just performance-oriented riders. That's for everybody. It just feels better, sounds better. Dalton said he wanted to have a low engagement, wanted to have better performance, and try to have cruising RPM where you could stand it while you're driving at a normal speed. You don't have to listen to a bunch of engine RPM. The testing or riding that we did in Nova Scotia up there proved it. He had the 33-inch tires on his. I didn't personally do it but he told I can spin my 33s on pavement with the kit in there. Of course, everybody's not doing that, but it's not really the point. It's just that it is a good performance enhancer and fixes all the other problems. Now, back to other kits. I'm not naming names or anything like that. I just want you to be aware of something, two different things in other brands of kits, and you do your own research, is if you do a flyweight only, no spring, no helix, no nothing, and you can improve the engagement RPM. You do that by making the flyweight heavy so that it will close the clutch up quicker, and that will probably be fine for a lot of people, but you can't fix that and have good performance with a heavy flyweight because it keeps closing the clutch. Dalton did this with a primary spring that helped the engagement, and then the weights come after, and so you get the best of both worlds. So if you're buying a kit that only has flyweights, it leaves some to be desired. Another thing that's out there that I've seen are clutch kits that have flyweights with no bushing in them, and they just have a hole right through the flyweight. Make sure you're not purchasing one of those because the pivot pin will corrode inside the weight. It'll lock up, so you don't want that. We've been a Dalton dealer since 2008. I mean, however many years that is, I don't even know, 17, 18 years, whatever. And they just literally make the Cadillac of clutch kits. I always say, if Dalton makes a kit for your vehicle, that's the kit you ought to have. We never have problems out of them. I mean, they're just never at fault. They're just outstanding, and Dale knows what he's doing. He's my age, I'm 58, and he used to be a snowmobile racer. That's how he got into clutching years and years ago, and he's just really good at doing these kits. And I got to see everything where it gets done, how it gets done, and even though I've been a dealer for 17, 18 years, I was really amazed at what I saw when I got up there. They have a machine shop, 7 people that only makes flyweights and helixes, 2 shifts a day, I believe. Great company, great stuff. The vehicle needs it due to poor calibration and engagement, and none better than this. And you're gonna need a couple of tools to do it. Hunterworks has the pullers, compressors, torque tools, you name it. We have everything, and a belt, Hunterworks belt for the machine. So we have everything that you need for your clutch kit to make this HD11 drive the way it should drive. And also, the kit allows you to compensate for larger tires. So not just for stock vehicles, it is for people who also add larger tires, okay? So that's a long explanation of what the kit is, why you need it. If you got any tech questions at all, Todd at hunterworks.com, and we appreciate you guys very much.